In the southwest of Scotland, the A75 Kinmont Strait is a stretch of road between Arran and Dumfries that has earned the title of one of the most haunted roads in the UK. One of the most infamous sightings was made by Derek and Norman Ferguson in 1962. They were driving along when a large hen flew towards the windscreen of their car. The pair were then bombarded by an array of phantom animals in a ghostly furniture van. Many long-distance lorry drivers visited a nearby roadside snack van, traumatized by their experience in the laybys. Other common sightings include people pulling handcarts or carrying bundles like medieval travellers. Many witnesses claim to see parades of men, women, and a variety of farm animals usually appearing in the middle of the road right in front of cars, only to have the car drive right through the apparitions, leaving those in the cars believing they've hit someone or something to look back to an empty dark road. It is believed that the activity on the road may have something to do with the high number of accidents on the road. The spirits of the A75 have caused many lorry drivers to quit, refusing to drive this haunted road again.